USDCAD chart for H4 time frame. It is one good resistance point. At this moment it is a support area, it is another support area, it also another latest support area and lowest support area. It is a trend line, it is another trend line, it is a trend line, it is another trend line, it is the 200 EMA. This 200 EMA indicate dynamic support area, and we can expect some candlesticks later it can go here. So it is a trend line support, it is a dynamic support confirmed by 200 EMA line, it is a horizontal support area. So we can expect that this is a good area for sell entry. So from this scenario we can say that this is a good point for buy zone. This is the buy zone because 200 EMA, trend line and horizontal support area all confluence together here. So it is a buy zone for this chart, for this USDCAD. Now we can expect the market may come from here, some candlesticks come here, we can expect in near future. When market come here, then we make decision to make buy from here for the next target, next resistance area. So it's the time for what to make buy entry from this chart. Again I say, patience is the tailor of success in forex market. If you have no patience, please give up this platform. If you have patience, forex for you. So goodbye.